Some days just need coffee, lofi beats, and a window view of the chaos.
Kind of wild how small you feel next to all this, but it's the good kind of small.
Man, this place really does feel like the future, but also like home somehow.
Generating consistent character with VO3 is pretty messy actually, and by the end of the video, I'll teach you a very interesting way you can generate consistent characters with entire scene, audio and everything. So stay till the end of the video. I'm Adit and you're watching SkillCurb. So simple, this video will divide into 3 phases. The first phase will generate prompts, different scenes. Second prompt will be like videos and stuff, and the third part will be the final part where we'll combine this all to make you realize that yeah, consistent characters is very possible with this Google's VO3. Okay, first let's talk about the VO3's prompt. Okay, so we were gonna use this prompt. In your screen you can see, so this is the prompt. We'll have character details, scene description, dialogue, visual style, camera movement, and voice consistency. Voice consistency is a little bit tricky, so I'll talk about it in the very end of the video. So first talk about the character details. So character detail is something we will talk about the character's height, looks, complexions and stuff that makes it much consistent. And all the time we'll talk about scene description. So scene description is something we need to talk about. Scene description would be background, the place where the character will be walking, sitting and something like that. Dialogue will be like the guy will speak, the character will speak. Okay, that's simple. Now let's talk about the visual style. So visual style in this template you can see is real footage. You can always go for anything. So real footage means like actual realistic humans, while if you want to animation, you can do animation here, cartoon here. That's totally up to you. Camera movement will be like you can make vlogging videos too, and whatever kind of cinematic videos you want to make. With voice consistency, here we'll describe what kind of voice accents we want, and we will maintain it across all the scenes. However, voice consistency does not work at this level, so I will tell you a trick. You can use it later. Okay, let's talk about that. We have this template. We'll go to the ChatGPT, copied it and said, hey, now generate a random scene with a story, and ChatGPT generated a scene. Okay, so the scene is character details with 5'8" tall, lean built young man, is early 20s, and all the stuff character need, like scene description with real footage, walking selfies, just kind of vlogging type of video. Well, that's okay. I'm interesting. Let's generate it. Okay, so we said just generate 3 scenes on the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT came up with the 3 scenes with the same template, like same character details, like a 5'8" tall, lean built young man is early 20s with black hair. So it's entire description that will make the entire character consistent. Okay, so we have 3 scenes personally, and we will copy these 3 scenes one by one to the Google's VO3. Okay, now how are we gonna use VO3 is important. Okay, simply go to the flow. Flow is by Google, by the way. Go to the flow.google labs, and here you can simply access flow. Okay, just log in, and here you can see the flow has very interesting interface. If you have ever generated any video, you'll see a video on your screen, or you can simply see text to video, frames to video. Click on text to video and paste your prompt. Now on the right side you can see the settings. In the settings, use 1 video per output. It will save your credits for getting wasted. And here you can see so many models. Simply without thinking of once, just simply click on VO3 fast and it will make your credit much more effective. Just 20 credits a video, and that's a lot less, by the way. So just paste the prompt and you have to nothing to do. Just simply click on enter button and that's it. It will start generating video. VO3 can generate simultaneously 5 videos, so you can give another 2 prompts too, and it will generate those prompts too. Okay, so now we have the videos getting generated. Take some time and it will generate the video. Okay, once it has generated the video, let's watch it.
Man, this place really does feel like the future, but also like home somehow.
Kind of wild how small you feel next to all this, but it's the good kind of small.
Some days just need coffee, lofi beats, and a window view of the chaos.
Okay, so the video is pretty interesting. You have already seen it, I think, and you can say the character is very consistent, by the way. Like, I did not expect it to be this good, but it prompt works all the time. You can see the same denim jacket, same tattoo, same Asian kind of man, brown, brownish color complexion, and you can see the streets and different kind of thing. You can see one thing, he is looking almost consistent in all the videos. However, I'm saying almost consistent. That is the main point. It is not actual consistent. You can see the voice difference and sometimes the movement and facial expression. So what we need to do is to make it much more exactly like consistent. We'll talk about this later. So first of all, let's go to ChatGPT and generate another prompt. Okay, so this scene was boring actually. It's a guy with vlogging. I said so now maybe choose a Spider-Man, not the vlogging style stuff, because it was boring. And it has started generating 3 scenes for Spider-Man. Okay, go to the just copy this prompt to the character details as Spider-Man, Peter Parker 5'10", athlete build, wearing his iconic red and blue suit with black webbing and white eyes lens. So it's all the details you need. Any human cannot generate this much detail, and that's why I would say go watch ChatGPT if you want actually very great description of your character or prompt. Okay, now copy the ChatGPT's prompt. Simple, go to the flow and copy paste it 3 times, and now you have another video.
Funny how the city never sleeps. And neither do I.
Somebody remind me why I didn't take a desk job?
Every win comes with a cost. Just gotta hope it's worth it.
This video is insanely good. Like, I'm really impressed by the way this video is. You can see the Peter Parker is speaking. Funny how the city never sleeps. And the fact is, it actually has captions too. However, captions may not be that accurate, but overall, it's interesting. And you can see all the 3 has very consistent suit, same black spider, black, blue, iconic suit, red, blue, and that's it. That's what I'm trying to say. You can actually generate consistent image with anything. Okay, now maybe this is not the consistency you like, so I have another way which is even more effective and quick, by the way. So go to the frames to video now after selecting text to video, and here you can upload your end screen and first screen. I'll say just copy and paste one image that you want to character to be consistent. I just uploaded this guy with a gun, and now you can see this character is pretty consistent in all the videos. And I hope now you realize how easy is that to just simply go and make the consistent character out of VO3. Now you have realized the 2 methods. The first one is use this prompt, which you will find in description, and this way, which is you just have to get an image out of your character consistency, and that's it. Your consistent character will be ready with the help of VO3. So now you got the 2 methods. Now last thing we need to talk about is how are we gonna use the audio, because audio is not consistent at all. Even if we have a prompt description specifically for audio consistency, but it's not working that much. Okay, it may be balancing a little bit, maybe accents and dialects, but that's not at all. So what we can do is, it's simple. You can go to the same, yeah, you got it, 11 labs. Okay, simply go to the 11 labs, and here you have to do one thing that is the main thing of the crux of the video. So you have to go to the 11 lab. Simply you have to go to text to speech, and once you go to the text to speech, it's where things gonna happen for you. Okay, go to text to speech here, which the dialogue we copied right from ChatGPT. Remember, go to the dialogue section and copy those dialogues one by one, scene by scene, and go to the 11 labs. Simple, go to the text to speech platform and paste it. Okay, simply I have pasted it, that dialogue which that vlogger guy was saying, and now it's the time to do something interesting. Okay, we will simply go to the voice section. Here we will select the voice that will be fit on that character. So the guy was pretty young, 20, so you can select a guy's voice here. It's pretty young voices you can find in 11 labs, or you can clone your own voice. But however, cloning your own voice might not be that effective if you're not 20s, and maybe you are pretty old, by the way. Okay, so we have selected the voice and already have an audio now, and now you got the audio, which is pretty consistent, by the way, in all the scenes. Okay, so what you can do is now, but wait, you don't have any way to connect them, right? Simply you can download any editing app. I would say simplicity, go CapCut, and for the CapCut, that's it. Go to the CapCut here, just those 3 videos downloaded on your streamline and in your clip section, and just on your timeline download that audio which you download from the 11 labs, and now you can connect both in your screen. Now you have the guy speaking with the same consistent audio which you always wanted, by the way. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Now you got a consistent character with full video with the help of VO3 and just a little bit trick of 11 Labs too. So now you get an idea how you can create actual VO3 consistent character videos, whether it's vlogging, animation, AI videos, or any kind of video you want to generate where you want the characters to be consistent and not be different in every scene. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.